They told me I wouldn't make it. They gave up on me before I even started.
Over it.
Oh yeah, we've tried it. Monday when we turned it on.
Will it run now?
No, it's got no battery in it, but fuel's in it.
What, is it a key start?
Yeah, it's
So what do you want to give me for it?
200.
200? That's a kicking nuts, isn't it? 200? Yeah, it's worth $2 grand, that.
It's a try.
It's worth $2 grand. It's worth bloody hell. 200 quid?
Oh, that's Sam. He's the one
that Lindsay will spend there at Asda.
He was the one that asked me to do it.
I tell you what, though, it's all good stainless steel tanks.
Yeah.
What make is it? Honda? Is it an Honda engine?
It's a good question, one sec.
Look at the size of that pump on there.
Yeah, it's Honda.
It's Honda?
Yeah, Honda. That's a fuel pump. This is the engine.
No, that's the water pump.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
You know, the hydraulic pump, pumping water out. But what a big pump it is, that is. I don't think you realise what you've got here. Well, gives you 200 quid then.
All right.
Gives you 200 quid. Nice one. So have I helped you out? Have I helped Genuine Futures out now?
Oh, hell yeah. This is already half of what we need to do to get going. All we need now is a van, and then literally already have the main part.
The main thing though, have I helped you out by letting you have this for 200 instead of $2 grand? Where you going, Blackpool?
Extremely, yeah.
Yeah. So when can I see this actually running? And actually, are you going to earn some money with it?
Yes.
Yeah.
When it get running, when we get a battery in it, when we get it installed into a van that we find.
There's no reason it can't be done today. That.
No,
all you have to do is get forklift, put it down there, untangle all them tyres, stick a battery on it, put some fuel in it, and get.
Well, we've already got fuel in from when we tested it Monday.
Well, you've got your tank there. Fill that with water.
Yep.
But yeah. Anyway, thanks for this.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. It's what it's all about. It makes the world go round.
Oh yeah.
On these streets where the hope ran thin, doors felt heavy, didn't know where to begin. Told to wait, told to fit the same old plan, but we needed more than talk, we needed a hand. Then the light came on in the heart of the town, a place where futures get built, not written off or down. Real people, real voices, someone who listens. Boss your future, showed us what's been missed. They said, you've